how to apply the bench seat pad to your bench seat. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have the straps facing, the back of the stroller. So these straps are going to want to be closer to the front of the bench seat. You're also going to want to have the crotch strap fed down through the slit in the pad. You can put the crotch strap down through this middle slat and either pull it through the back or the front. I recommend the front, but it's your choice on what you want to do. So the first thing you're going to want to do is feed this strap with the metal D-ring down the middle. And then I'm going to pull mine through the front. So you'll notice that there's a slit in that D-ring. You're going to want to feed the material of the strap through that slit. And then give a good tug on it so it's nice and tight on there. So then you'll notice that there's little pockets on the seats, and then they wrap around the ends of the bench seat. So the back one you're going to want to feed around the end. And then the front one around the front. And then you'll notice that there's some Velcro straps as well, so you'll want to tighten that down underneath. And then here are the straps. So the straps are going to wrap around the frame of the stroller. This helps keep the bench seat from sliding back and forth on its own. So you're going to want to wrap around the frame and then button into itself. Same on the other side. And there you go.